If you bank it too hard to the left or right, it seems like it drops a little bit, but that's okay because you got to learn how to fly these helicopters. Each one is different. So this one you have to be gentle on the rudder, and it does great. So smooth and scaled. Very. See, I did it too quick, and it made a big noise there. Beautiful helicopter. This thing flies awesome, guys. I mean, seriously. Except you have to learn, like I said, on the turns. You got to take it gentle. I mean, you could yank it, but it does what you saw there. Do it gentle. This is how it flies. Very scale and beautiful. Now, if I yank it quickly here, it does the yaw both directions. And I can actually put a little roll in it. I mean, what else do you need from a $150 helicopter that flies right out of the box? I personally don't want to modify these. These are my go-to helicopters when I'm just feeling like flying. Otherwise, I'd be building my 600s and 700s. But this is a beautiful model. It does everything those big boys do, except at a much smaller budget and scale. Very scale. Sounds like a turbine, actually. Time to land. Coming into the airport for landing. Beautiful.